Welcome to Chip 1. Join us on a journey into the world of quality control in the Chip 1 laboratory.
Our commitment to quality assurance is evident in every single station.
Every single work step here is important to ensure that you are always receiving the highest quality goods.
State-of-the-art technology meets the expertise of our experienced team.
At Chip 1, we are redefining the standards for quality analysis. From precise quality control stations to innovative technologies such as 3D X-ray and SEM EDX, we ensure that every component meets the highest standards.
Our craft goes beyond analysis. We offer solutions such as reballing, rework, taping, and long-term storage to meet different material management needs.
It is our holistic approach that ensures your components are in safe hands.
We ensure the reliability of your components and hope that our precision on state-of-the-art technology will make us your trustworthy partner.
Chip 1, where precision meets perfection.